how to use your hands in public speaking. If you have a mic on your hand, make sure it's very close to your mouth. So we generally forget that, most of the time. Never point your index finger or any one finger to the audience like, hey, I'm talking to you. No. So instead of pointing a finger, you can point all the 4 fingers together. So that's a good gesture. Okay, so you can also use different hand gestures like, for example, you can show a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you resonate with this. Or for example, you can make them raise their hands, and while you yourself raise your hand, you can say that, how many of you know Priyanka Chopra? Raise your hand. So you can show a raised hand in front of them. Right? Now when it's an office presentation or a TED talk, so when one hand is occupied with a remote, you can just use the another hand to just move around the hand. Okay? Avoid putting your hands on the pocket. Okay, so that shows that you are not interested. Closed arm shows that you are closed-minded. Avoid putting your hands on your hips. People will remember your hand gestures. These are the few hand gestures which you can use, which I had used during my last presentation. For a reference, you can watch the Obama video, how he presented, how he used his hands. So the name of the speech is The Speech That Made Obama President. So that's a wonderful speech. You can go ahead and watch to know more about the hand gestures. See you again in the next video.